Good evening, everyone. Good evening. My name is Eugene Chukwu. I'm from Enugu State. So my YouTube channel is EUG-BEST Trading Academy. So in case if you want to enroll in lectures, so you can chat me up on my DM. So in today's topic, we'll be talking about gold USD. So gold USD analysis. So in this week analysis, we have only one day left for this month, and we can see that we are only having a doji candle, and tomorrow, that is Monday, is the only day left for this month this month market to close. So, and we can see that we close with a bearish doji candle in last week. So now in our weekly time frame, we can see that we are still on a bearish. We close with a strong bearish candle on 2 weeks ago. So in which the next week coming, which is this week, we are expecting a bearish candle. Also, we are expecting a bearish price to occur. So now, where do we start selling? We'll go down to daily time frame to see what happened on a daily time frame. So in our daily time frame, we can see that the market is still on a range. So and we can see in this range, we can see that the price of the market have started creating something like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we can see that we close on a bearish candle, a strong bearish candle. So and in which we are still expecting price to come down to 3,205 or 208. So this is where we are still expecting price of this market to come down to. We are still expecting it to push down to this area. This is the area we are expecting this price of the market to come down to before we continue our bullish trend, because we know that the price of the market is automatically on bullish. So until price broke out from this green horizontal line, before we can know that the price of the market have changed to correction. But on the meantime, we are only looking for price of the market to come down to this zone, 2,000, 3,200 and 305, 308 zone. That's where we'll be looking to. So now we'll go down to 4 hours to see if we can see any opportunity. So now in our 4 hours time frame, we can see that the market is creating something like higher high, higher low. You can see that the market is creating something like a higher high, lower low. This is a low, a high, a lower high, like a lower high. You see a lower high, come down, a lower low, a lower high, a lower high, a lower low. So now I'm expecting a lower high again to come down into this zone that the market broke out from. Either you come down into this zone or to this zone. So this is my main aim. So now if peradventure market came down to this zone, to this area that we are expecting to sell from, this is the area that I'm expecting to sell from. This is my first selling zone. These are the area in which the price of the market came and rejected the price. And another second selling area is another selling area is this zone, a zone of I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell in these two area of 2,346 zone and 3,339 zone area. That is the area that I'm expecting the price of the market to sell down from. Or if the market failed to sell from this zone, 3,301 and 3,299 zone before we can buy from or we can sell from this zone. So now, as we are seeing that the price of the market is on a downtrend, see a high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So I'm expecting a lower high before I can sell down. So now, as I'm expecting a lower high before I can sell down to either from this zone down or from this zone down. So anywhere I see a confirmation. But if the market came here and broke out from um, our zone, we'll wait for it for this zone. Understand? So now that we are on this area, we can go down to 2 hours. Can go down to 2 hours. So on our 2 hours, we can still see that we have a bearish engulfing candle in this our selling area, and we still have a bearish order block in this our selling area. So these are the areas we are looking to sell. So now, how do we take part in this market that is trying to do or have a pullback? We can go down to lower time frame like 1 hour time frame. So in our 1 hour time frame, we can still refine this zone. So this is our selling zone. You can see our selling zone. Okay, 3,350, 3,350.1 zone and the 3,339 zone are the area we are looking to sell from. And the first area is 3,301 and 3,295 zone. 295 are the area we are looking to buy from. So now we put it as a zone. We indicate it as an area. Indicate it as an area. So now that we are seeing it as area that we will sell from. We clone it again. This is clone. If you don't want to be drawing it several times, you can clone it. Clone. So this is the area we'll be looking for price of the market to come down to before we can, or trigger to, before we can buy to the ups, sell to the downside. So now I'm going down to lower time frame. I'm refining it now to the lower time frame. Now we are going down to 30 minutes. In our 30 minutes, we see that we have a strong bullish engulfing candle here. You see, so a strong bullish engulfing candle with the part of the market is ready to go up to this, either this zone or this zone. Now we can see that on our 30 minutes we have a strong bearish engulfing candle, and the market has a pullback before the drop, as we analyzed in our former market, our former last week and last 2 weeks. So now in our lower time frame, we have a strong bullish engulfing candle, and the market started ranging. So if the market open, I want to see price of this market came down. So I want to see market come down to this zone, to come down to this area. This is a higher high, lower before the range, before it came and give us a bullish engulfing. So I want to see price of the market came down to this area before we can trade to the upside. So on our 15 minutes, see the price of the market have came, give us a bullish engulfing, move to the upside, came down, did not take out this low, and it came and tapped into this our area that market broke out from. So if we go down to 5 minutes, we can see that this was the area that the market broke out from. You can see this was the area the market broke out from and give us another bullish engulfing before the range, and it broke out. This was the time the market broke out from this area. You can see that they have broken out from this structure. So what I'm waiting for now, the market will come back. If the price of the market open, came back and either tapped into this our bullish engulfing candle, or even trade to this our imbalance. There's imbalance here, you can see, or this our bullish engulfing candle. This is the area we'll be looking for the price of the market to tap into. You can see. So now this is the area we are looking for to buy from. If market open this morning along, we are looking to buy from this area till the market. So this is the area we are looking to buy from, to follow the move, this normal move, this pullback. We are waiting to join from this pullback. So why our stop loss should be below this below the support zone that caused the push up. So our take profit should be here. So that is what we are looking for in this our lower time frame. So the price of the market can be able to give us, this is where our take profit should be. So this is our stop loss. If we see confirmation, but if we did not see confirmation, we are not entering. So in our higher probability trade, we are waiting for price of the market to come to this zone for we to trade to the downside. That means we are looking to trade from this zone. We are looking to shoot to sell from this area. See, to sell from this area to the downside. So our entry point should be above the descent.